Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Moonley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September the 11th. First, I want to talk about Hurricane Laura, and here's the latest position as of 2 p.m. 24.3 north, 87.6 west. Maximum sustained winds are 75 miles per hour, and movement is towards the west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. This is the expected path that it's supposed to take. We'll put the cone, or the arrival of tropical storm force winds. They'll start affecting the coast south or southeast Florida to Louisiana to Mississippi around 8 p.m. Wednesday night, and then move on to the north at 8 p.m. on early Thursday morning. Next, we'll put out the rainfall amounts that we're expecting. We'll go to day 2. We have rainfalls like about 5 to 10 inches affecting parts of eastern Texas and Louisiana. And then we'll go to day 3. And then the heavy rainfall starts moving to the north. Now we'll look at the projected track, and it gets more uncertain as we head to the north. Now, latest runs as of yesterday had it more across Virginia and so forth. Now it's a little bit more to the north, going off the southern New Jersey coast. So this is something that has to be watched because it can bring excessive rainfall due to other features affecting the storm, and I'll get into that. Here's a look at satellite imagery. You start seeing there's an eye starting to form. We have deep convection now starting to wrap around the center. It's on the southern side, and we'll try to get even closer if we can. It'll load just a second. There it goes, and you see this is the convection I'm talking about, but it's has a dense overcast convection around the center, but these are the highest tops of stronger storms. So the impacts will be from southeast Texas to southwest Louisiana, and will bring life-threatening storm surge, hurricane force winds, torrential rains, and inland flooding. And we'll take a look, we'll go back to the other map, and we'll look at the storm surge forecast. And this shows the probability of storm surge and feed in 70 hours from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. on Friday. And this is what we're expecting the storm surge to occur. And these are the levee areas here. That's what we're looking at there. Okay, and now Laura's forecast to weaken to a tropical depression and then move. And we'll show you that in the other maps. Okay, here we are. This is the GFS. It'll be a tropical depression. Thursday, there it goes. And then lift east-southeastward. And like I said, off the South Jersey coast or Delmarva area. That's the GFS. We'll take a look at the European. European keeps it across the Carolinas, the heaviest rain, so the miles are split with that. And this will be in question of where the lowest, the heaviest rain will be, and it'll be anywhere from the Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valleys Friday, and then across the Appalachians and portions of the Mid-Atlantic over the weekend. Now, we also have another factor. We have strong to severe heavy rain threat will be enhanced in northern energies and tropical moisture from a front from the Midwest to the Northeast. You can see it right here. This is going into the weekend. That's the GFS. Here's a European look. It's a little bit slower, but and it doesn't kind of interact with the energy. Maybe a little bit here come on Saturday. I think the GFS is more within hand what should be happening, and we'll have temperatures will be 10 to 20 degrees below normal from the northern Rockies to Central Plains early next week, because we're going to have this strong front that will be moving through the northern plains and the upper Mississippi Valley, and it'll bring fall-like temperatures to portions of the area, and also could be some 30s in some locations across the northern plains and parts of the Rockies. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for for September 2nd to the 6th. And a region's forecast are Northeast Pacific and the southern U.S. And we have a zone of flow forecast across the northern states. A trough forecast over the northern Rockies. But if we take a look at the European ensembles, it has the trough more to the east compared to the other models. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here. What the anomalies are 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Taking a look at the period for September 7th to the 11th. A little overall change is expected in the flow from the previous period. We have a ridge across the southern states, trough across the upper Mississippi Valley, and take a look at the GFS as stronger height anomalies compared to the other models. Maybe to some extent to the European, but all in all, they're showing the same thing. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting little changes in temperature anomalies from the previous period. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation west of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September the 11th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.